Hey, let's talk about how we can write an equation in slope-intercept form of a line given 2 points that line goes through. So the first one we'll do is number 24, and the 2 points we have are 0, -1, and 5, 6. The first thing that we need to do is find the slope, and the slope is the difference of the y values, the rise, over the difference of the x values, which is the run. So I'm going to do 6 minus -1, which turns into +1, and 5 minus 0. So my slope is 7 over 5. Once I know my slope, I have to remember that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Now I can take my slope that I just figured out and one of these points and plug in to figure out what my y-intercept is. Actually, this problem has kind of a shortcut because one of the points they gave me was the y-intercept. Right? If x is 0, then the y is on the y-axis. So this one kind of has a shortcut. I have the slope here, 7 over 5. And then I have the y-intercept right here because the x value for this point is 0. So -1. For 25, we're not so lucky. We don't have the y-intercept given to us as one of our points. But that's okay because we'll still be able to figure this out. Still need to find our slope. So y2 minus y1, that's going to be 6 minus 2 over x2 minus x1, it's going to be -1 minus 3. So 6 minus 2 is 4, and -1 minus 3 is -4, and 4 divided by -4 is -1. So my slope is -1. So now I can take the y equals mx plus b, and I know what m is now, it's -1, and I can use one of these points to plug in with my slope. I'll plug in for my x and for my y to find out what b needs to be. So I'm going to do that right now. I'll take this point because they're both positive, and I like positive numbers because they're fun. So I'm going to plug a 2 in for y, a -1 in for m, x is going to be 3, and then I'm going to solve for b. So I get 2 equals -3 plus b, and then to get b by itself, I just need to, I got a -3 plus b, so if I add 3 to both sides of the equal sign, b plus -3 plus +3 is just b, because these two are add to 0. So then what I get is, I get 2 plus 3 is 5, so 5 equals b. So now I know what my m is. My m is -1. My b is 5. So now it's pretty simple to just plug into y equals mx plus b, and I get y equals -1 times x plus 5. I just substituted my -1 in for m, I substituted my 5 in for b, but I can simplify this, make it look a little simpler. -1 times x is just -x. So that is the slope-intercept equation of the line going through these 2 points.